Okay. Well, I made it here. 7 o'clock. Here's my station. Woo! Condoms. And Carmex. Okay, so check it out. So my awesome cousin Jack and my Uncle Tony plowed our lot sometime yesterday afternoon to yesterday evening. There you go. That's my view. That's my view. It's actually kind of pretty. Alright, so I gotta go take a walk outside. I've had a whole 10 customers today. Not really sure why I'm open, but I am. So if anybody sees this and they're in Homewood and they need some cigarettes or gas, please come in. There's a gentleman trying to get air. There's where me and Sally shoveled my doorway out this morning. That's awesome. There's the ridge going across the back of the lot. And then we're just going to walk on over here. Pumps are shoveled. We got them cleared out. That's always good. People need their gas. Yeah. Not so worried about diesel. Screw them. So this is almost neck height to me. Hey, look at that. Homewood's very own postal service, still running. Those guys are troopers. But if you look down there, I mean, jeez, it's crazy. And there's some more snow. There's some more snow. There's our sign. The canopy is still up. That's impressive. All that damn snow. Should have probably collapsed that damn thing. But yeah, so we made it. That's awesome. Oh, hey, all right, cool. The air pump does work. That's good. That's always good. Good for business. And there's the station. Yeah. It's still fucking cold, so stay home, people.